Handling time zones and global clients as a freelancer can feel overwhelming, but with the right tools and strategies, it doesn't have to be. Whether you're working with clients across the globe or just need to manage different time zones, there's a method to make it all run smoothly, and I'm going to show you how in this quick 3-minute tutorial. Let's start with scheduling. One of the biggest hurdles when working with clients in different time zones is simply knowing when to schedule meetings. The key here is to always be clear about the time zone you're in and ask your client to do the same. If you're unsure, use a world clock app to double-check time differences. It's a simple step but can save you a lot of headaches when setting up meetings or deadlines. Next, we've got communication. If your clients are on the other side of the world, you might not always be available to answer them instantly. This is where setting expectations is crucial. Let them know your working hours and make sure they understand when they can expect a response. Tools like our software are perfect for managing this because they allow you to automate certain responses and manage your time effectively, keeping your clients updated without you having to be constantly online. Now, let's talk about using the right tools. There are so many tools to help you manage time zones and clients, and I've tested many of the most popular ones. If you're looking for something reliable, the software we'll be using today allows you to seamlessly integrate time zone tracking and client communication in one place. Not only does it track your time zone, but it also syncs with your calendar to make scheduling a breeze, and you can automate time zone differences directly within your calendar. If you're still juggling multiple apps to manage your work, I recommend simplifying it all by using one platform like our software that integrates everything. You can even set up reminders, which ensures that neither you nor your client misses a meeting or deadline, no matter how far apart your time zones may be. But here's the game changer. As a viewer of my channel, you get exclusive access to a free trial of this software to help you follow along with everything I've mentioned today. This free trial is available only to my subscribers, so make sure to check the link in the description below. Another point I want to cover quickly is setting clear communication boundaries. As a freelancer, you need to make sure both you and your clients are on the same page when it comes to time zones. If you work with clients who are 12 hours ahead or behind, ensure you both agree on communication methods, whether it's email, instant messaging, or scheduled check-ins, and respect each other's off hours. Setting clear expectations for availability will make working with global clients much easier. Finally, let's talk about time management. It's tempting to want to work whenever your clients need you, but don't fall into the trap of burning yourself out. Be disciplined about when you work and make sure to schedule time for yourself. Using tools that help you automate some of your tasks or manage multiple clients in one place can take a lot of the stress out of balancing your workload. Key takeaway here: managing time zones and global clients as a freelancer requires smart scheduling, clear communication, and the right tools. Use a time zone tracker, set client expectations upfront, and streamline your process with an all-in-one solution like the software I mentioned today. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the description below. It's a great way to make managing your global clients even easier. Remember, time zone management doesn't have to be complicated. With the right approach, you can work with clients all over the world without feeling stressed or disorganized. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be able to handle global clients like a pro.